go to Google and type SanDisk RescuePRO. Then open this website from SanDisk, scroll down and find this link. Click on RescuePRO for Windows. After the zip file is downloaded, go to the downloaded folder, right click on the zip file and then select extract all. Click on extract, double click on the application, select your language, accept the license agreement, click on next, 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 and finally click on install. Click on finish to open it. Click on this version which says this software is licensed for non-commercial use only. Find your SanDisk packaging. On the packaging you should see your license key for RescuePRO. Enter it in here and then click on next. Enter your name, last name, email and country and then click on next. Activation confirmation, then click on next. Activation successful and now you can close this. You got 3 options to select to recover your files. You could recover just photos or audio, video, or you could select recover all files. Then select the drive where the files were deleted. For example, this USB removable disk by SanDisk and then click on start. This would start scanning your hard drive or SD card or USB flash drive, whatever you have selected. Depending on the size of your drive, it can take some time for the scanning to finish. Then it would display here the recovered files. It shows 332 files were recovered with 0 read errors. Click on file and then select output folder. Here you could see all the files that the RescuePRO has recovered. But then when I double click to open the recovered files, for example, this recovered video, which is in MOV format, it doesn't play the video, even though the size of the video is same as the original video. So if you keep trying other videos, you could see some of them are in fact recovered. RescuePRO also gives the files a new name and it doesn't retain the original file names. So now you would need to go through each and every file and see which one is working and which one isn't. If you go back to the RescuePRO and then click on preview, you could get a preview of the recovered files. Watch my other videos for other software and methods to recover deleted files or to repair the corrupted files after recovery. For example, the files that are not playing in here.